In today's fast-paced world, losing weight and staying healthy can feel like an uphill battle. While maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine is key, sometimes your body needs an extra boost to kickstart the fat-burning process. That's where detox drinks come in. Detox drinks not only help flush out toxins, but they also speed up your metabolism, enhance digestion, and support fat loss. In this guide, we'll dive into the top 5 detox drinks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to burn fat quickly. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply cleanse your system, these powerful beverages are your go-to solution for faster results. And don't forget to download our free report at the end of this description for even more tips and insights on achieving your weight loss and health goals. Why detox drinks are effective for weight loss. Detox drinks have gained immense popularity for their ability to cleanse the body and promote fat loss. But how do they work? These drinks are usually packed with natural ingredients like fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, which have high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They help to boost metabolism. Certain ingredients in detox drinks like lemon, ginger, and green tea are known to speed up metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Flush out toxins. Over time, our bodies accumulate toxins from processed foods, pollution, and stress. Detox drinks support the liver and kidneys in flushing out these toxins, helping you feel lighter and more energized. Improve digestion. Poor digestion can lead to bloating and weight gain. Detox drinks contain fiber and enzymes that promote better digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more effectively while shedding excess fat. Suppress appetite. Many detox drinks contain ingredients that naturally suppress your appetite, helping you avoid overeating or snacking between meals. Now that we understand how detox drinks can accelerate fat loss, let's explore the top 5 options you should try. 1. Lemon and ginger detox drink. Lemon and ginger are 2 of the most powerful natural detoxifiers. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to cleanse the liver and improve digestion. Ginger, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory that boosts metabolism and curbs hunger. How to make it: juice of 1 lemon, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, and 1 cup of warm water. Mix all the ingredients together and drink this detox beverage first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It will jumpstart your metabolism and help your body burn fat throughout the day. Benefits: stimulates digestion, boosts metabolism, and reduces inflammation. 2. Green tea and lemon detox drink. Green tea is one of the most well-researched fat-burning drinks. It's packed with catechins, antioxidants that speed up metabolism and improve fat oxidation. When combined with lemon, which enhances detoxification, this drink becomes a powerhouse for burning fat. How to make it: 1 cup of brewed green tea, unsweetened, and juice of half a lemon. Drink this detox tea twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, for optimal results. The combination of caffeine and antioxidants in green tea will not only boost your metabolism but also provide a steady release of energy. Benefits: enhances fat burning, improves metabolism, and it's packed with antioxidants. 3. Apple cider vinegar detox drink. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for centuries for its health benefits, especially in weight management. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce belly fat, improve metabolism, and suppress appetite. So, how do you make it? Well, you'll need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey, though the honey is optional. Mix these ingredients into 1 cup of warm water. Drink this mixture 30 minutes before meals to help control your appetite and improve digestion. The acetic acid in ACV is known for breaking down fat and increasing the body's ability to use fat as a fuel source. The benefits? It helps burn belly fat, suppresses appetite, and regulates blood sugar levels. 4. Cucumber and mint detox water. Cucumber and mint are both refreshing and hydrating ingredients that support digestion and weight loss. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in fiber, making them an ideal addition to any detox drink. Mint, on the other hand, helps in digestion and soothes the stomach, preventing bloating and indigestion. So, how do you make it? You'll need 1 cucumber sliced, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and 1 liter of water. Add the cucumber slices and mint leaves to the water and let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours before drinking. This detox water is perfect for sipping throughout the day to stay hydrated while flushing out toxins. The benefits? It promotes hydration, reduces bloating, and boosts digestion. 5. Pineapple and cinnamon detox smoothie. Pineapple is not only delicious but also a great fruit for weight loss due to its high fiber content and digestive enzyme bromelain, which helps break down protein and aids in digestion. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and boosts metabolism, making this smoothie a powerful fat-burning combo. How to make it: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 cup of water or coconut water. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. This detox smoothie is perfect for a mid-morning snack or a post-workout refreshment that helps with fat burning and digestion. Benefits: rich in fiber, enhances digestion, and regulates blood sugar levels. How to maximize the benefits of detox drinks. While detox drinks are effective for promoting fat loss, it's important to complement them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Here are some additional tips to maximize the benefits. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to help flush out toxins and improve digestion. Limit processed foods. Focus on whole, natural foods to reduce your intake of toxins and promote better health. Incorporate exercise. Regular physical activity like cardio and strength training helps to burn fat and build muscle. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can hinder your weight loss efforts, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Final thoughts on detox drinks. Detox drinks are an easy and natural way to boost your fat-burning potential. By incorporating these top 5 detox drinks into your daily routine, you'll not only feel more energized, but also see the difference in your weight loss journey. Whether it's a simple cucumber mint water or a zesty lemon ginger mix, these detox drinks will help you achieve your goals faster and more sustainably. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. Along with these detox drinks, make sure to maintain a balanced diet, stay active, and prioritize self-care to see the best results. Ready to supercharge your weight loss? If you're serious about losing weight quickly and improving your overall health, don't stop here. Download our free report now. This comprehensive guide is packed with revealing information on the most effective weight loss strategies, detox recipes, and meal plans that will help you reach your goals in no time. Click the link in the description to get your free report today and start your journey toward a healthier, slimmer you.